So the continuation of the previous video. So here we define the data types, and also here we use the data types and we are defining the variables. Okay, in simple words, so what is a variable means? For example, here we are finding the area of a circle. Okay, here we are finding the area of a circle, right? To find the area of a circle, what we need here? Radius. What we need here? Radius. What is the formula for the area of a circle? Pi r square. Okay, this is the formula for area of a circle. So what is the pi value? 22/7. So into r into r, radius. Okay, this pi is a constant. Pi is a constant. Is radius constant? No. Is radius constant? No. Okay, so the area of a circle, the value of area of a circle depends upon the radius, which changes. First we give the radius 2. Okay, the radius we get the answer, one answer. Okay, if we give the radius 2.5, we get another answer. If we give the radius 3, we get another answer. If we give the radius 3.2, we get another answer. Okay, but what is the constant here? 22/7 is the constant, which is varying. R is varying, so that's why here R is a variable. R is a variable which varies. So if we assign the 2, first it stores the 2. If we assign the 2.5, then it stores the 2.5. If we assign 3, then it stores the 3. Then if we assign 3.2, then it stores the 3.2. So it varies. It varies. But what is the constant here? Pi value is the constant. 22/7 is the constant. So simply say we are saying that R is a variable. Okay, that is a variable. So here variable means which stores a value. Which stores a value. So user defined. Who is defining? We are the defining. User defined. So we also call it as an identifier. We also call it as an identifier. So to define the variables, we need to follow some rules. What are the rules? We have already discussed. The first letter must be an character. Okay, except underscore, no other symbol is used. Spaces are not allowed. The uppercase and lowercase are different. Okay, so variable, int a, float b, char c. So all these are the variables. Here a is a variable. A is a variable of type integer. A is a variable of type integer. B is a variable of type float. Nothing but it stores a decimal value. C is a character variable. Character variable of type char. Of type char. Okay, so like that. Here we declare the variables. So this we call it as a declaration. This we call it as a declaration. Okay, now a equals to 15. So this we call it as an initialization. Okay, we call it as an initialization, declaration and initialization. And also we can write as a int a equals to 15. Both declaring the a variable and assigning the 15 to the a. Okay, so the right side value is assigned to the left side. 15 is assigned to the a. Now what the a contains? 15. So the a contains the 15. The memory is allocated to the a and it stores the 15 in the given address. Okay, that is. Now, so here to write a program, then what here we define the data type and we declaring the variable. So what we learned here? Data types and the variables. Now let us see the input and output. Let us see the input and output. So here input is which gives by user to program, which is given by user to the program. So here providing input to the program. Okay, so how we are giving input to the program? By using functions. Here we are giving the input by using functions. Those are the predefined functions. Already we defined the function. Those are the predefined functions. By using the functions, we are providing input to the program. So the input function is scanf. This is the input function scanf. Okay, the syntax is scanf, format specifier, ampersand, variable name. This is the syntax. Okay, so here scanf, also we write as a control string, ampersand, variable name. Okay, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Okay, now here control string or format specifier. So what are the format specifier means? First we learn about the format specifier. So here we have different data types. Each type has its own format. Okay, so for int data type we use the format %d. For float data type we use the format %f. For character %c. Okay, for string %s. So these are the format specifiers. What type of data we are giving to the input. Either we give the int data, or we give the decimal data, or we give the character data. So if we use the integer type of data, we use the format specifier integer, that is a control string integer. Okay, so if we use the decimal float, we use the format %f. If it is the data is of type character, we use the %c. If it is a data of string, that is the %s. That is the format string. And next, ampersand symbol. So this is the address of. What is this? Address of. So where it is located. Without address we cannot give the value. It does not assign the value. Okay, for example, if anything, if to deliver a message, okay, to deliver a SMS, without mobile number can we deliver a message? No, we have to must mention the number to deliver a message. In the same manner, okay, to get here variable name, where it is in the memory. To get the address, here we use the symbol address of. Without address we cannot assign the value. Okay, now variable name. Variable name means which we defined in the which we defined by using the data type, that is the variable name. Okay, for example, so if we declared int a, b, so a, b are the variables. A, b are the variables of type integer. Okay, now scanf %d. Okay, here what is its integer format? %d, comma. So what is the syntax here? Format specifier %d. The next ampersand. The next variable name. What is the variable name? A. Like that. So to give the multiple values here, we have to write a multiple. So this is the first input and this is the second input, comma, first input and the second input. So this is the first variable, this is the second variable, separated by a comma here. Okay, we should not mention comma here, only we mention comma here. That is the syntax to give the input by using the scanf function. Okay, so in the same manner for output we use the printf function. Okay, here printf. So format specifier. The syntax is specifier. Next, variable name. Here no need to use the address. Simply we give the name of the variable. Okay, now printf. What is the format specifier? %d. What is the variable? A. So that is example. Okay, in other words, whatever we write in the printf statement, that is within the double quotes, it will be print as it is. Okay, so if we write within the double quotes in the printf statement, it will print as it is in the output. For example, if we write printf hello. Okay, so what is the output here? Hello. What is the output we get? Hello. If we write hi, we get the hi. If we write hello world, we get the hello world. Okay, so whatever we write between the double quotes, it prints as it is. Then here also, what we have written in double quotes, %d. So what is the meaning of this %d? It's a format specifier, comma, what is the a value? It prints that a value. It prints the a value. Okay, that is the input function and the output function. Thank you.